What's up guys? Today we are working on that. Yeah, that, the Mercedes. Well, I wanted to get a proper unboxing, but it turns out you're actually supposed to hit record when you want to record something. I know, right? But anyway, I got the tape all done, but I can pull the box off. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but go ahead and try it. And I am not at all sponsored by these guys. I mean, I've got like 4 subscribers, so that's understandable. But hey, they're purple and made in Germany, so that's good. It's not the purple I thought they were gonna be. In the picture it shows like a pretty like metallic purple, but they're gonna be under the car, so that doesn't really matter. And I don't get it, like what is with places not sending stickers? Car guys love stickers, and I don't know why lately the stuff I've been ordering has not been coming with any stickers. It came with a packing slip, so that's neat. But I'm gonna get the box up with the grill in it and we'll go from there. I made sure and hit record, I think. Yeah, little red lights on, we're good. So this is the grill. Oh, this is a funny thing too actually. It says, you know, it says fragile, handle with care. Then why the hell is the back of this all smashed in? I hope that's gonna be alright. Back to the bed. It's quite a bit of packing, so it should be good. Ooh. No stickers, but that's understandable with this. They actually gave a shit when they packed this, so that's awesome. Ooh, just like the old one. Bling blow. I like it. None of the tabs are broken. Got a little bit of rub marks on it, but it's not too bad. Go ahead and get this undone. She's purty. Way better than that crusty stock one right there. Now, I don't hate on the stock ones that much. I just would rather prefer this one because it's pretty. Not sure if you guys know or not, but I already had this grill, this exact grill actually, until it got claimed by a chunk of debris off the highway. I'm pretty sure it was like a huge chunk of metal, I'm not sure. Shook the car, but I've got a video of that. We're gonna go ahead and get the hood popped and I'll show you what all you need to do to replace the grill. So you're gonna have six 8mm bolts or screws, whatever, that you're gonna have to remove. This is actually really simple. She just pops out. Stock, be gone. In with the new one. Now there's a little lip right here. I don't know if you can see that. You're going to want to get underneath the front bumper to help hold it into place. kind of slides up under. Awesome. All the tabs line up. And just repeat the same process in reverse order. Oh man, I'm pumped. That looks good. I'm glad to have it back. And you know, I gotta kick the halos on because I am still in love with these. Got good fitment right here. And over here's good. Nothing rubbing up here. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Once it focuses. Got the springs over there. I'm gonna get to those next week. I just don't have time tonight or my own spring compressor, so I'm either gonna have to rent one or borrow one from a buddy. We'll get to that next week. Well, on that note, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button, and if you liked it, please hit the like button. As always, have a great night. Thank you for watching.